It's the Chef Bill Winter Season Special, starring Fifi Touche, Herr Burgerman and Willy, Ivanta Moroff, Chef Vinny, and Chef Bill, and more.
Hey everyone, I know you're all excited to see who's coming to visit tonight. Hey Chef Bill, when do you think Santa Claus is going to be here, huh?
Yeah, I want presents. Oh, oui? And I have been so good this year.
Did you hear that, Lily? Santa Claus is coming to the town. Sehr gut. Yeah. Oh, actually, it's not Santa Claus. It's Beer Santa.
I don't know what is going on here. This is weird.
Now. I'm sure that Beer Santa has something for all of you. Hey, Chef Bill. Did Beer Santa just land his sleigh on the roof? Actually, I think he just backed his Chevy into the garage door. Ha ha ha! Happy winter season! I have beer for everyone! Ha ha ha! Ha ha ha!
Frankly, I prefer wine. I want something more than beer.
My wife says I gotta lose a few pounds anyway, you know what I mean?
You didn't tell me you were married.
Well, you see, enjoy your beers, everyone. Ha ha ha! Ha ha ha! Okay, everyone, let's have a toast to the winter season and Beer Santa.
Hey, you know, I really can't drink this beer. What's going on here? This is very strange. There's beer here. It's on like beer.
Ah, Schlitz.
Why we got beer in the first place? Hey, you know, I can't drink this beer. On here. This is very strange. There's beer here.
Now winter season is ruined. It's because of me. All because of me.
What's wrong, Beer Santa?
Wally, the winter season clown, what are you doing here?
I always hear Beer Santa crying.
I wasn't really crying, you know,
Whenever I hear Beer Santa crying, I come to help.
That's okay. I wasn't really crying, but Wally, what am I going to do? Nobody likes beer.
I'll fix everything with my magical winter season wand.
That's right, it's Chef Bill's hot chocolate recipe. Whipping up some heavy whipping cream is a good idea before you start. It's okay to put a little sugar in your heavy whipping cream. Now take 2 cups of milk. Pour that in your pot. 2 tablespoons of baking cocoa. 2 tablespoons of dark brown sugar. 2 tablespoons of semi-sweet baking chips. Now, pure vanilla extract, you only want 1/8 of a teaspoon. Just a very little bit. Mix that up. Get a whisk and whisk it up. Bring it to a low boil. Keep whisking. Take it off the heat. Get a mug. Pour some Puerto Rican golden rum, a full shot, into the mug. Amaretto, half a shot. Pour in your hot chocolate. Cinnamon schnapps. Tastes like Red Hots. Remember? Give it a half shot on top. Whipped cream. Put that in there. Cinnamon. Just a little sprinkle on top. Nutmeg. There's your hot chocolate.
Wow, this hot chocolate is awesome. Wow, Wally, you did it. It's a winter season miracle. You know, we Germans prefer beer anyway. Was ist los hier? Wo ist mein Bier? Willi! Oh, ach der Liebe!